What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I will be sharing with you how to properly moisturize the ends of your protective style to minimize breakage and encourage length retention. So let's get into it. Okay, so after installing any low manipulation long-term protective hairstyle, you will need the following: water to properly hydrate the hair strands, and any of the Hair We Gro butters to seal in the moisture or water content. So working in small to medium sections, grab a handful of your natural hair. Saturate your natural hair with water or a water-based hair mist. Following this, you want to gently squeeze the water content into each section to ensure the hair strands are properly hydrated. And proper hydration simply means that the hair has sufficient amount of water. Next, take a dime-sized amount of the Hair We Gro butter, emulsifying it between your fingers. Then massage it into the ends of each braid per section. This seals moisture into each strand, preventing dryness, brittleness, and breakage. Now this step is very important simply because when you use enough product per section, you are fully coating your strands, ensuring maximum hydration and moisture retention in the hair. And I'll be following these steps to ensure that the ends of each braids per section is properly moisturized. And as you can see in this clip, the ends of our hair are very dry. So we are going to properly hydrate with water. Following this, you want to gently squeeze the water content into each section to ensure the hair strands are properly hydrated. And remember, proper hydration is extremely important when it comes to your moisturizing routine. Then seal in the hydration with the Hair We Gro hair and body butter. And with that, we can see how moisturized the ends are. Now, if you want to keep your ends hydrated, moisturized, and healthy, then grab a jar of the Hair We Gro Deeply Moisturizing Hair Butter at hairwegro.store, and for a limited time only, use the code HAIR20 for savings. Now, if you found today's video very helpful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until the next one, I will be right back here with another video.